Hello, my dear students. This is Fahim. Subscribe channel. Still you haven't subscribed. So if you subscribed, so you can subscribe in other devices also because subscriber is more important for me. And already you know that this course is prescribed in schools, colleges, as well as in universities. So whatever you are learning, so learn every concept as a challenge. This slogan I have given, learn every concept as a challenge. So any task when you are going to face as a challenge, so definitely you are going to win in your life. Fine. So let's start from this. Today's my topic is that list methods. So in previous videos, I've given the concept of list, how we can create a list and how we can access. So everything I have given in detail. So if you haven't watched that, so I am giving the link in description. Please watch that and move step by step so you can understand. So now what I am doing, I am explaining, and in Jupyter Notebook, respectively, I am doing the practical things so you can understand better way, right? So now let's start our today's topic, list methods. So I am going to share a screen with you, so that will be good for you, right? Let's see here. So already we know how to create list. So let me take here one cell, and now I'm going to create first one list. Fine. So like I'm going to write here L. Name of the list is L. And here, as I told you, list is a multiple types of data. Fine. So here we have to take one square bracket. In that, like we can take here one data of 50.15. This is the decimal number. And here some Boolean function that is called as a false. And we can take some string, like I'm going to take here yes, and some other data, like I'm searching here for for example, like dub. So okay, so this is a simple I have created. Now what I want to do, I have to first print this. So already I have explained you again, right here this L, and execute this. So printed here. Now we want to check the types of this L. Okay, so no need to do here. We can write here with the help of type command, type, and now here write here L and execute this. So got here class is list. Fine. So this already, this I have given the introduction in first in my lecture, so we can go through that. Fine. Now I want to tell you here what, like in previous lecture, let's take here one cell here, for example, because this list based on index, like in index number 012, like for example index number 2. Fine. So print, and here L and index number 2, 012. It should print here yes. Yes. Okay. So in index number 2, I want to add something. So here concept, for example, now I will say index number L. L is the name of the list, and here I am write index number 2, and here, for example, I will insert here like mobile. Okay. Now what it will do, it will what it will do, it will overwrite in place of yes. Okay. Let's print this so you can understand in this. Fine. Now I'm going to write here L. Print L. Print L. Okay, execute this. See what happened? Yes, printed this. Print first this. Index number 2, yes, printed. Now what I done? In index number 2, I have inserted here like mobile. So this in place of yes became mobile. So this is overwritten. It means this yes is not moved. Okay, this override in place of means yes replaced by this mobile. So now I want to use a method. I want yes also, and I want to insert in mobile also. Fine. So what I'll do, see here, I'm going to take a new cell. I'm going to paste it here, and here what I will do. Suppose let's execute. We got here. So I want here yes, and as well as other. What I want to add. So I will write here say yeah L and insert insert. I want to insert. So insert index number what? Index number 2. And which what I want to insert? Like mobile. Like mobile. Execute and then print this. Print here. Print. Print here L. Execute this. So see now index number 2 we have inserted here mobile, and yes is moved index number 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Is this all right? So in this basically in this lecture, I am going to deliver all types of method. Fine. Now here also I will tell you append method. This is the insert is clear. Fine. Now I am going to use append method. So in that I want to add. How we can add? See here. I am going to take this. Okay. I am going to better now. I am going to take this. Okay. Copy and take new cell, and here I'm going to write like L, no issue, paste it here, fine. Now here I can take L dot append, 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 and here I want to go add anything. So add anything like, for example, I want to add like water, fine, and now I will print it here. I will print it here, fine, print, okay. Now L and execute this. Now see here. So now L is the name of the list. In this we have this is the data. This data I have append in the sense add. We are going to add fine water. So here it added the water in last of that all element. Fine. So this is the difference between insert and append. Basically insert we are inserted a particular location where we need, like in a schools there are many students, fine. So some students added new admission added, fine. So now we want a roll number 6, roll number 7, roll number 8. So what we can do, we can insert in particular roll number. Any employee is going to work in any company newly joined, fine. So that particular employee at particular place we want to add. So for that we can use here insert particular place. And suppose we don't want particular place, want to add the in any like end of that, so we can use here append. So this is the difference between insert and append, fine. So now here add is finished, insert is finished. Now for example here this is the one list, okay. Control C, I copied here, take the new cell, and here what I want to. Now append is clear, insert is clear. Now I want entire list. We don't want to add one by one. Entire list, fine. So here I will make one L1 entire list, and I will paste it here. Here. Now in this I will add something. Okay. What I'm going to add, like here, any complex number 6 plus 7J. Okay. And again I am going to in like fruits and vegetable market, in that I am going to add here mango, okay. Then I am going to add here banana, okay. It means that some elements we have added here. So now just see here, we have two lists, L and L1, fine. We have two lists. Now entire list we want to add at a time. You don't want to add one by one element in that list. So what we can do, we can use extend. So like L dot extend, extend, and here we can use L1. Fine. And let's print here. Let's print L. Execute this. Now here, L. So I have actually written it should be not 1, it should be here L. Fine. Execute this. Now see here. Now what is there, sir? L is see, L is one list and now L1 is another list. So here with the help of extend command, entire list we have added at a time. So this is the difference between insert, append and extend. Insert, it means that particular location, and that is called append, end of that list. And here extend means entire list. We have more than one list. Fine. And we want to add. So this added end of that list. Is clear? Now three methods I have explained. Now remove. I want to remove at the specified item. For example, now think I am going to copy this one. Fine. And take the new cell with a plus. And here I am going to write like LM. Okay. LM. And here I am going to paste it this. Fine. This is list. Now I want to remove here. Okay. So now LM dot remove, remove. Which element we want to remove? Fine. So I want to remove mango, mango, mango from that particular list. Fine. So I've written here print. Now print here LM. Fine. Execute this. So now see here in mango. Where is the mango? Like see mango before banana. Now we don't have in list here mango. So now this removed. So we practice it. After remove, we have there now. Here one question, fine. So here, if you have more than one item in our list and we are using here remove, so which element will remove? The question is that here do one thing. I am going to take one new. Now here LM equal to this. Okay. Now here any element is double, any element repeated two times. No. Then what I will do, I will make one element add here. LM dot append, append, and I am going to add here one mango again. Okay. And print it here. Now print. Now print here LM. Fine. Print here LM. So now we can see one mango we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on index number 6. One mango element, and then we have last of that here. It means that two times mango is repeating. Fine. So we want to remove. So what we can do now, see here. I'm going to copy this. You can understand it here. Now paste it. Okay. Now execute this. Now see. One element of mango is deleted from where? From this is deleted from the now let us see here. Mango. In this we have here. Now this is the one. Let me print this. Here. Let me explain once again. Fine. Just wait here. So here what we done in this LM, because before LM it was here one mango, and one mango we have added. But here what I done in this LM, in this list, we have only one mango. Fine. So here before that I done here a mistake. Fine. So again take this one, copy this, because this is the remove. Remove command is used to remove any element. But my question is that in a list we have more than one element, more than, like mango we have two times, and when we are going to remove, so which mango, which element will remove? So it will remove which occur first. Okay. So take once again which occur first here. Control C, and here, and in this we have here mango only. Mango here we have only one. Add, okay. Now we have here two. Now let me use here this. Eh, Now let me use. Okay. Now printed here LM. Now run this. Now is to see here one mango we have, and here one mango. Now I am going to use lm dot lm dot remo, remove. Fine. What I want to remove? Mango. Okay. Then print it here. Print here. Print here lm. Execute this command. Now see. One mango, first occurrence. See, before banana. Removed, and last mango we have. Fine. One more thing I want to tell you. Just a moment. For example, now see, what I done? I done this is also a cache sensitive. The mango we have here, what? M is the capital letter, but in place of M, I have written here a small m, right? So list X is not find. It means that this mango is not deleting. So it means that whatever we are writing, so we have to write the exact letters. If it is uppercase, we have to use uppercase. It is lowercase, then we have to use lowercase. Is this all right? So you have to practice exactly. Fine. Now remove finished. Now, now we have to use pop method. What is pop method? Used to specify index. Fine. Like for example, I am going to copy this. I'm going to copy this one. Fine. And take a new cell. I am going to paste it here. Fine. Now this is the K. Okay. And I will use here pop, like K dot. Okay. Pop. Pop pop. Now here I am going to specify like 2 and print here K. Execute this. Now see, 2 is the index. 0 1 2. 0 1 2. 2 index is mobile. So while I written here pop 2, mobile is deleted from this list. Is clear? Now I will not specify this index. So what will happen? Fine. Let's copy this and take the new cell, and in this I will not write here index. So it will delete from the and and from the and mango. We don't have in this mango. So when we are specifying, then it deleting from the particular index. And when we are not specifying, it means that it will delete from the end of that list. Fine. Now next practice here. Okay. Now next we have here del. Okay. Del methods. Now see the del. What are the we have option? Now I am going to use here del, and this particular, for example 0. Okay. Execute this. Now invalid syntax. So we can use here, for example, like false, false, and here 0 1. Okay. No, this also here invalid syntax. So now we can use here, this is also like here 1 0 1. Close this, invalid syntax. So here what we have to no, in this we have to practice here this del. Now specify the particular location 0 1 0 1, and and execute this. Now basically del here, del. So what, just a moment. Now here what we have to do, we have to do in del basically used to delete the entire entire this. Okay, now del here print के invalid syntax. Now basically del is used to also remove the specified index. Fine, and del keyword can delete the list completely. List completely. So we can do like this. Now del space. Now I'll write here k and index number 1. Execute this. Yeah. So it means that now use here 1 0 1. Execute this. Now yes. So now del method is used to a specified location. Now I have written del and k here 101. So from the one index it deleted here false. Now for example, take new cell, copy a new cell. Here I'm not going to specify. I'm not going to specify here. I'm not going to specify any particular index now. Now see, k is not defined. It means that now deleted. So when we cannot specify any index, so it means that deleted. Complete list is deleted. Fine. So now I will copy this one because this already deleted. What I will do, take any new list here. Now what I want to perform here. Now I want to perform here after delete. Now we want to make here clear, then length clear. Fine. So now, okay, now g dot clear clear, glear clear. Fine. And print here, print g. So basically clear command used to clear the list of that. Now see, all elements is cleared with the help of clear. Fine. So now again I take the new cell and paste it here, and well, what I'll do, for example, next we have here after clear length function, how many element we have. Fine. So print, and we can use here len, and you can use here k. Fine. So basically length command used to count how many elements we have in this list, particular list. To have list is a k. So execute and check. Total element we have here 14. Fine. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So basically length command is used to count how many elements we have. So in this we have here how many elements? 14 elements. So basically we have used here len command, and here given here 14 elements we have, right? So what we have to do now, we have to use particular methods, and it will list here or one by one. So now len is cleared. Now I want to use here sort. Okay. So how it will work here? Now take the new and here use here, I will use here sort method. Fine. So k dot sort sort. Fine. And here print here this k. Fine. Now see. Now k sort is there. K dot sort print k is not supported between instance of str. Okay. Here we have means all data sort is not supported. So leave that sort here. And if, for example, like I'm going to take K here, and here will be like mango, mango, and like we have a double p l e, and we have here like s like s p double o n spoon, and we have here like key key. Fine. So now I'm going to use here k dot sort sort. Fine. And print here k, print here k, and execute this. So now this here supported. Now fine. So basically in this we have more than one types of data. So basically now suppose sort is working only for alphabets. Keep in mind. Fine. So first is alpha apple, second is K alphabet, third M, then S. So this is alphabetical order. Now we have here, for example, what I want to say, like take the new cell, fine, here, control V, and here I am going to take here M, and also copy this, okay, control C. Now here like we have M1, M1 equal to this, fine. And now what I want to say, like N equal to K and plus M1, K plus M1, fine, and print it here. Print now, print here N, execute this. So now see here, plus method also used to add this all, fine. So now I want to stop it here. Now 27 minutes of video. So now what you have to do? Now you have practiced a lot, and many resources you have. You can get it some question from the internet and as well as books. So practice a lot, and if you are facing any doubts, any problem, please write in comment section, and accordingly I will update you. Fine. Thank you very much.